Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I made this extra fluffy baby tutu. So I hope you enjoy the video, and if you want to see how I made this skirt, keep watching the video. I begin by making a circle band pattern. I've used by hand London. Basically, it's an easy way for you to make calculations to make your any circle skirt. I've put the link down below so you can have a look, and it's very useful. I mean, I use it for all my circle patterns. So I've put the link down below by hand London. I'm making the band about 3 inches wide. So I'm going to be cutting this pattern on the fold to create half a circle. So here it is cut out. What I'm also going to need is a waistband. I've cut it out about 2 inches wide. So here I'm attaching the circle band using a French seam. Here I'm beginning to attach the tulle onto the skirt band I should say. So basically I've turned in my skirt about half a centimeter at the bottom, and I'm securing that by attaching the tulle on the first seam. So I'm just hand gathering my tulle, and I do that round and round and round the skirt in a continuous motion until I get right to the top of the band. The tulle, I've used a tulle roll. That's the 6-inch tulle rolls that come in 100 yards. So I didn't use all of it, but if you get 100 yards, that should be plenty. Side, as you can see, I'll be going round and round, attaching my tulle, hand gathering my tulle and attaching it with the sewing machine. So what's left to do is just attach the waistband and you're done. What it should look like, extra fluffy. So I've just went ahead and attached a decorative ribbon onto the skirt, and if you want to purchase this skirt, I have put it, it's on my Etsy, it's in my Etsy shop, so follow the link if you want to purchase this skirt. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new, and comment and share this video if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much, guys. Take care. Bye.